Greetings from noble dimension. Organizing a trip is an enchanting affair overflowing with visions of distant places, boundless curiosity, and precious memories to be cherished. But if you're not careful, even the most thrilling intentions might go off track. Today we're exposing the top 5 mistakes in preparation that travelers frequently make, and of course, how to avoid them, to help you unlock the keys to an outstanding trip. Whether you're thinking of making travel plans, preparing for a new trip, or browsing the newest travel tools, come stay with us to make sure your next journey is magical, stress-free, and full of wonder. First mistake, booking your travels too soon or too late. This is an important balance that many people find challenging. Imagine this. You are motivated for your ideal getaway, but if you rush and book your travel months ahead of time in the hopes of finding a deal, you may end up spending more than necessary. However, procrastinating until the last possible moment in the hopes of finding a fantastic deal can lead to skyrocketing costs or even sold-out tickets. The secret is to identify the ideal time to make your reservation, a magically sweet spot when costs coincide with your timetable. According to research, this window is usually 6 to 8 weeks before departing for domestic travel and 3 to 4 months ahead for overseas travel. Don't leave it to fate, though. Use insightful resources like Google Flights or the captivating abilities of Hopper, applications made to track fare drops and forecast the best timing to buy. Establish price notifications and delegate the heavy lifting to the applications to secure the finest offer at the ideal moment. Mistake number 2 is the traditional traveler's dilemma that transforms excitement into aggravation: overpacking. Your adventure can go as easily as you've envisioned with a little preparation and the correct gear. Everybody has been there, sucked into the trap of just-in-case planning and attempting to cram in that extra set of clothes or shoes they most likely won't wear. Before you'll notice, your suitcase will be bursting, and you'll be struggling to lug it around everywhere. The secret, however, is in the details. Packing should be done methodically, not excessively. Consider what you wear as a compact collection of adaptable clothes that you can easily mix and match. A simple outfit may be made into something unique with just one scarf or jacket, and lightweight layers provide infinite possibilities without taking up valuable space. Another small tip is to roll your clothes. This will save space and prevent wrinkles, transforming the luggage into a treasure trove of perfectly packaged basics. Allow technology to be your guide for a dash of modern sorcery. With the help of apps like PackPoint, you may develop a personalized packing list considering your activities, destination, and weather forecast. Think of them as personal packing helpers, so you don't need to guess what you want to take. If you really need it, you can just focus on what's truly important, getting excited for the magical experience of travel. Mistake number 3 is not looking into travel insurance. Ignoring travel insurance is one of the most frequent mistakes people make while organizing a trip. They tend to forget about it in the thrill of a new experience. Many tourists make a rookie error of believing that nothing will go wrong, but in reality, travel can be just as magical and unpredictable as it can be erratic. A single unanticipated incident, such as an unexpected airline cancellation, an injury or illness in a distant location, or misplaced luggage with irreplaceable belongings, can rapidly transform a great vacation into a stressful struggle if you don't have travel insurance. Herein lies the true value of travel insurance. It operates as an imperceptible barrier, an unnoticed defender that keeps your trip moving forward, regardless of any unexpected setbacks. Travel insurance coverage may be customized to fit the specifics of your trip from providers like World Nomads and Alliance. Regardless of whether you're hiking through the mountains of Patagonia, adventuring through Southeast Asia, or taking a lavish vacation in Europe, travel insurance provides you the peace of mind that regardless of where the wind takes you, you're covered, from protection that guarantees you'll never deal with a medical emergency overseas alone to plans that pay you for delays or cancellations. So keep this in mind before you depart on your next big journey. Having travel insurance is just as fundamental as having a passport. The 4th mistake is not paying attention to local entrance regulations. This minor oversight could cause your dream vacation to devolve into a mad dash at the airport. Each destination has its own gates to unlock, just like the rest of the world. Before you can tap into some country's breathtaking landscapes, you might need to show verification of onward travel, obtain a visa, or even have specific vaccinations. Imagine the distress of realizing you're missing a vital document as you're standing at the airport with your bags packed and enthusiasm building. But fear not, you have guides to assist you make your way through this maze. Like magical scrolls, resources like iVisa and the US State Department travel website furnish you with the most recent details on the precise requirements for your travel. With the support of these tools, you can be sure that you're not only ready for the next journey, but also self-assured to pass customs with ease. If you have a little foresight, you can start the journey with the mindset of an experienced explorer, eager to discover the wonders that lie ahead in distant regions and avoid the dreadful feeling. Last but not least, cramming excessively into each day of an adventure in an effort to see it all constitutes one of the most intriguing yet elusive blunders made by travelers. There is a great desire to visit every famous eatery and must-see site, but by doing so, you run the danger of missing the joy that comes from genuine connection with your destination. If your itinerary is overly stuffed, you can find yourself hurrying from attraction to attraction and coming away from the journey feeling worn out rather than inspired. Travel's true beauty is found in its spontaneity, in those impromptu moments that embody a place's soul. Maybe it's the little local cafe you notice while idly exploring, or the secret outdoor market you find at dark that's teeming with locals and brimming with handcrafted goods. These are the unplanned experiences that end up being the most unforgettable. From stuffing the itinerary to the brim, create time for the magical surprises that carry each journey to life. A well-crafted schedule strikes a balance between a select few must-see locations and plenty of time for exploration and leisure. Apps like TripIt can help you accomplish this balance by planning your day so you have time to explore, relax, and immerse in your surroundings. You'll leave your time abroad with more than just memories when you combine very planned activities and leave room for sightseeing with relaxation. You'll feel a profound feeling of wonder and connection. Now you know the top 5 travel mistakes, so you can watch out for them so your next adventure goes as smooth as warm butter and honey. Whether it's finding the right time to make the preparations or doing the correct amount of research and living in the moment, if you keep these in mind, you'll have a seamless journey. Be kind to yourself, and you won't have to worry on your destination. Give this video a thumbs up if you found these ideas useful, and don't forget to subscribe to Noble Dimension, your portal to endless travel wisdom. Press the bell to stay updated, keeping up on our most recent adventures. If you're eager for more, check out our next video where we go into even more detail on the world of travel inspiration. I hope your travels are full of enchantment and exploration. Until then, we'll see you on the next journey. Safe travels!